I came to a quiet New England town most people skip. No crowds, no buzz, just trees, waterfalls, and maybe a few surprises. And today, I'm putting this place to the test. Rule number 1, I must get a 5-star photo at the most scenic places in town. Rule number 2, I must find the best food this town has to offer. And rule number 3, I must uncover a hidden gem that isn't on Google's front page. Then, I'm gonna give this town a rating, because that's just what I do. Sometimes the most unexpected part of a trip isn't what you find, it's what you feel when you slow down and you really see it. My first stop was Andrews Falls, a place I've seen on the maps but never in real life. It's a short hike, but every step draws you deeper into the kind of forest that makes everything else go quiet. 5 waterfalls along a single trail, each one more beautiful than the last. I found my favorite angle and took the shot. Long exposure, soft light, mist rising off the rocks. This was the kind of photo I came here for. But now it was time for breakfast. I headed to At the Barn, a rustic local spot that instantly felt like home. The huge open ceilings, the antique feel, the vibes. It's that kind of place where you don't want to rush anything.
Man, this place is awesome. Look at the patio here. It's freaking beautiful. I got the BLT egg sandwich. Brunch every Saturday until 3 p.m. I'm gonna go rate it.
And the food? Way better than I expected. Creative, hearty, and made with the kind of care that makes you want to come back. So I did, and I can't wait to show you my next location. Something about Granby just kept pulling me in. This time, I started a longer trail towards Carpenter Falls. This hike was quiet, shaded, and peaceful in that way you would only notice in the moment.
Lock, Stock, and Bagel, Granby, Connecticut. Absolutely beautiful hike. I love the bridge here when you get to the falls. Waterfall photography is just calling my name right now. I'm gonna go climb down there after I eat this delicious sandwich. This is freaking delicious. I'm gonna give this BLT on a bagel a 9.7 out of 10 because I have never had a BLT on a bagel and I just love the idea. I hope the bears don't come find us because this is legit bacon. They can smell 7 times better than a dog. And I'm sitting here eating bacon in their territory. That's kind of adventurous, huh? God, it's beautiful here. Thank God for this. I'm about to show you the shots I get at this waterfall. The secret is we're actually gonna go a little further to another waterfall. I'm gonna show you where that is when we get there, tell you the name, tell you where we're at, give you some tips.
Carpenter was beautiful. Double cascades flowing through rock, trees leaning in like they were watching you. But I wasn't done. A marker on my All Trails map caught my eye immediately, and it was on the same trail, just further up. No signs, no crowds, just the sound of water in the distance that pulls you in, knowing that something special is ahead. I found it at the top of the trail, a shorter trail heading down towards the river, untouched. I dropped my gear, climbed down carefully, and crossed the stream to get the angle just right. A log rested across the top of the waterfall like nature had placed it there on purpose. I didn't talk, I didn't shoot right away, I just stood there and soaked it in. Whether it's a trail, a waterfall, or a breakfast table with stories in its walls, it reminded me why I started doing this, why I bring my kids, why I carry my camera. When I found this angle, I was extremely happy with the result. That's a 5-star photo.
Beach Brook Falls, Granby, Connecticut. 10 out of 5 stars to this trail. You go to Carpenter Falls and you just keep going and you make a left until you hit the Beach Brook Falls, which you'll see on your map on all trails. It's labeled. Very dangerous to get to the bottom of this waterfall, but the other two, absolutely perfect. And being down here is just, it's just a treat. I love it. Just look at everything. The tree roots. It's just freaking beautiful down here.
And years ago, I might have walked right past this place without a second glance. But now, I get to show my kids that peace does still exist. This is Granby, Connecticut. In Granby, you have it all. And you didn't just pass the test. You gave me peace. You gave me beauty. You gave me breakfast. And more importantly, you gave me time with my kids. You didn't ask for a rating, but you're getting one. Granby, I'm giving you a 9.5 out of 10 based on your raw beauty, hidden waterfalls, and breakfast that honestly caught me off guard. I mean, how many towns can say that they have this many waterfalls? Not many, and definitely not like this. I'm a Connecticut-based New England photographer and small-town explorer. I'm always searching for the next hidden gem. So if you love scenic places, underrated food, and stories from towns most people skip, subscribe for more. There's a lot to discover here.